There she go. First snow day. Man. What's up, y'all? Top of the morning. It's a beautiful weekend. I wasn't even gonna vlog, man. But yeah, it started snowing. So I got to vlog the first snow day. It's only right. I got to vlog the first snow day. So yeah, where I'm at? I'm in Indiana, headed towards North Carolina. It's a weekend trip, you know. Nice piece of load. Wasn't even gonna tell y'all about it. See. When he gonna tell y'all about it? I know I'm keeping secrets, huh? So, yeah. A little snow day. Nothing crazy. But we gonna tap in with y'all, man. Y'all gonna see how I do my first snow day. Yeah. Look at that. You got check engine light on. I don't know what that's about, but it's nothing. We know that, right? We know that. Go get that checked out whenever I stop. You know, for the weekend. A little snow. So the heaviness of the snow finally stopped. It looked like rain now, but I'm sure that's snow. But we got that on the window still. It's all good. But look at that. I told y'all. I spoke to my guy, Yahuwah. And look, no more check engine sign, man. I don't care what you say. Yahushua is real. By the way, when I say Yahushua, guys, I'm talking about Jesus. So yeah, it's gone. No more check engine. You gotta pray, man. Prayer works. Prayer works. Okay.
In 3/4 of a mile, India 34. In a quarter mile, exit to Winfield Road. Take the West Virginia 817 North Exit right to Winfield Road.
All right, y'all. I made it to my location, North Carolina. The truck stop that's like an hour away. That's the closest one I could find. It's ram-packed. There's no parking space up here, but the good part about having a box truck, you can park in the front. You know? It says, like, it say no bobtail. Not a bobtail. No box truck. So that's all you see over here is Sprinter vans. I'll park over here where the RV's at. Right? Yeah, I'm at Love's. See, there she go. Part where the RV's at. See that? Yeah. I hope it don't tell me to move. I know when I was in New Jersey, they tried me like that. They told me to move. They told me to move. But right now, that's where I'm at. Tomorrow, I'm just gonna go over there on the other side and find something. I'm sure I'll find something tomorrow. All I got here to eat is McDonald's. I don't eat McDonald's. I haven't eaten McDonald's in about 12 years. Gotta find something to eat though. Yeah. The heck is that? All right. What's up, y'all? It's down like 7 o'clock. It wasn't an exciting day. I know y'all ain't see much, but this is what it's like. This is the week I spent the whole weekend right here. Oh yeah, I had to move my truck up, man, cause I know that one truck was blocking me in, and then next thing you know, I look out my window again. That truck is gone, but another truck is there. I said, what the heck? And that dude stayed there the whole day. He just left. So what I did, I pulled it up, but It be like this sometimes. This one of them truck stops that it's not that much parking spots, so people do some stuff. Truck, especially them semi guys, they be doing some slick stuff. Like not even, I ain't gonna say semi. It's just the whole fact that they gonna try you. They gonna try you. They try you. You know. Sometimes you gotta be a little aggressive out here. I wasn't aggressive about nothing, but sometimes you gotta be like that. They gonna try you. I'm talking about something like that. You usually gotta ask. Ain't nobody asking that. They just backing in front of me. Now, if I was on another one, I could have been knocking on the windows before the whole argument start. Hold on. Yeah, man. This is. I'm gonna grab me something to snack on. I already ate my dinner. I ordered some food. I should have recorded that. I ordered some food from a nice little spot. I had some grilled salmon and quinoa. Pretty good. Well, yeah. I'll go find something to eat. Snack. Top of the morning, y'all. What it is. Been up. Look at that. Dude, braid parked in front of me. I'm not gonna lie, I feel some type of way. I was about to go say something, but I said, no, you ain't going nowhere. Use that as you're not going nowhere, Orlando. That's the advice for you box truck guys, man. When you pull these spots, sometimes it's best to pull all the way up. Could be truck drivers, they'll try you, man. They try you. Now, when I feel like moving, you're gonna have to move. When I first saw it, I ain't gonna lie, I was aggravated, but I wanted to just be but I said, nah. Leave him alone, Landon. You ain't going nowhere anyways. You don't need to get mad. Start a whole altercation. They probably won't even be there. They probably just move. But still, the energy I woke up with, like, yo, what the heck he doing here? He tried me, man. Cause these semi drivers be trying us box truck drivers. They almost looking like we ain't real deal. But we doing the same thing, man. We out here. We out here. You heard? Got a Star Crunch, honey bun, and a zebra cake. I did it for the coach. The lady taught me to the last one. 3 for 5. So it's not my fault, guys. Yeah. About call it a night, man. About 7, might watching another movie. You know, I did some studying. You know, I did some reading, went to church online. You know, I hope I probably already dropped that. You know, I'm about to go chill for the rest of the night. It's cold out here now. Got toes out though. And my wife be hot with me right now. Well, yeah, I'm tapped back in with y'all in the morning. I see y'all when I'm dropping off this load. You know what I mean? Update y'all. I know your boy. I'm in my luxury apartment. Luxury condo, really. I gotta update y'all on the zebra cake and the Star Crunch. I ate both of them. Star Crunch, still hitting. What I remember. Zebra cake, that thing was super sweet. I don't know if it always been that sweet. I mean, when you're a kid, you know, it's been a while. Some years since I ate a zebra cake. It's too sweet. I didn't touch the honey bun. Probably gonna be for breakfast. Well, who knows? Then when you start watching the movie, you get, oh girl, I'm trying to get this lighting right. You know, I'm working on lights in my condo. You know, look nice, right? See that? Yo, you know I got the green. You see it? Oh yeah, let me let y'all know about my green sleeping bag. I got a sleeping bag. That's what I sleep in, guys. But look, I'm so good. You know I'm in go mode. Look at this. This is my little thing, right? If you can see it. Oh, it's green behind there. Stay in go mode. Oh, hard hat green. I know. I'm bored, y'all. I'm just talking to y'all. Hold up. I'm trying to get the lighting right, man. Hold on. Is that better? It's not really, but either way. Yeah, I won't be buying no more zebra cake. I will go back to zebra for a Star Crunch, but you know what? I don't eat like that anymore. I feel horrible, actually. But I did it for the culture. I did it for y'all. You see what I do for y'all? I did it for y'all. I did it for the culture. I'm about to go watch a good movie, man. I don't know what to watch. If I was live, I'd say, hey, any suggestion. But, you know, that's that, man. Oh, let me guess. We're talking about green. Green watch. Apple Watch. Talk to me. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. I'm in go mode. I'm about to paint my office all green. Yup, I said it. Yeah, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a few though. It's your boy Lando. I am. Top of the morning, y'all. It is cold. Look at the pre-trip. And right blinker light is out. Right blinker light is out. So I gotta go buy another light. I gotta brush my teeth too, man. I'll tell you something. Last night was cold. Woo, buddy. That's all I gotta say. Cold is so far. Woo. We'll tap back in with y'all in a second. Alright guys, so I ended up getting these. You couldn't see the number on the one I took out, so hopefully it's the right one. But yeah, I gotta put some coolant in my reservoir also. This is the importance of doing your pre-trip, guys. Make sure, sorry to pull it out. Make sure you do your pre-trip, man. Because I am in North Carolina, and North Carolina is hot zone, man. DOT love to pull you over. I've been pulled over by DOT 3 or 4 times. About 4 times. Out of the 4 times, North Carolina. No. 2 times North Carolina, 1 time South Carolina. And the 4th time was in Pensacola. You see what I'm saying? So I gotta make sure I'm right while I'm up this way for sure. But you gotta make sure you're right at all times anyways. Yeah, I'm about to get to work, y'all. We back, baby. We back. Time to put this thing up in here. We good. It's cold out here. I got to put the glove back on. Now it's time to go do this cooler. What about to go? Yeah, we back. Alright, y'all. We about to hit this road for sure. Yeah, we gonna talk though, man. It was cold last night. I'm gonna tell you something. Last night was the coldest it's ever been. And it makes me double think. I mean, so I gotta think over this to sleep in the truck thing, man, because I was cold. I mean, I was warm. I had enough stuff to be warm, but outside off the covers, it was cold. You put your finger out, like, ooh, it was cold. I said, ooh, it's a different level of cold right here. I always wonder what I was gonna do in the winter when the winter really hit, because this is my first winter. I started in March. Boy, I might have to be getting a hotel, because you know the money in the Midwest, even though I'm in North Carolina, with my hand ashy. So we're gonna figure something out. I have bought a heater on Amazon, but it's trash. It blows like 2 inches in front of it. I gotta figure out something how to keep inside of here warm. I don't want to leave the truck on all night. I'll figure it out though. I'm gonna figure it out. I might head on over to this just drop off, and we're gonna be good. All right. Tap back in with y'all real quick. Update, y'all. I'm just sitting here waiting. The address they gave me. It's like houses over here, some old building. I don't even know if you can see it. Look at that. It's an abandoned building. That truck is for sale. Look at that. See all this? So I feel like I'm in the wrong place, but if I'm not, well, they're gonna struggle to get this thing off here. I know that much. Yeah. They mess it up. And I'm gonna make sure I record it too, because they ain't gonna blame nothing on me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm just here chilling, man. Yep. Hey, it's one of the craziest delivery I've ever had so far. Ooh.
Truck at 90,000 miles, brand new truck.
What? Yeah?
We also saw the big fans, the 24-foot fans, 18-foot van. So you see.
That broke up when you was trying to move it. Bravo Zulu.
That's ours.
Bravo. All right, guys, that's it. It's a wrap. I enjoyed this one. Me and the gentleman that actually had this I did this load for. We was outside talking for like a good 20 minutes. Had a good conversation. He definitely dropped some jams on me. He showed me some ways how to get some money. Get some some money and get some free money, some grants and stuff like that, small business loans, etc., etc. He dropped some wisdom on me, so I enjoyed it. One thing I admired about him, his business is at his house, right? He has so much land that he can put his business on his house. So he have like 3 houses on his property. I told him he needed to create like a building where he can back in the dock, but I love it, man. He's single. He said he was married 27 years. He gave it all he had. But I enjoyed it, man. We definitely connected. He gave me his number. I gave him my number. So he reached out to me if anything, you know. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Appreciate you guys for watching. Your boy Leno. I am the man, dude. I might go find something to eat. Find me a load. I'm surprised I don't have a load. I got to call my dispatcher, man. You know, we dispatcher, right? Y'all look for dispatcher. Holla at me, man. Holla at me. I got my dispatcher working. She working right now. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy Leno. I am the man, dude. Whoa.